Okay, hi guys, it's Ruth Alade, and in this video I want to show you how you can spin your articles in under 10 minutes. Now if you're doing article marketing as one of your strategies, then you really want to pay attention to this video just so that you can be able to spin your articles very quickly. As you all know, spinning does take a lot of time if you're doing it manually or if you're using the wrong tool. So I'm going to show you how to use a tool that actually does it, very quickly. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to spin this article. So I'm going to go into my WordPress and then copy the article. So I'm going to copy the title first and paste it into the best spinner. Okay, so I've pasted all my content into the best spinner. The next thing that you want to do is that you want to protect your keywords, and to do that, what you want to do is to go into settings and options right here, because when you protect your keywords, as the article spins, it is not going to spin those keywords. So it's very important that you protect those keywords, otherwise they're going to get spun and you wouldn't have your keywords anymore. So go into settings and options, and then protected terms right there. So all you need to do here is to hit on the add button. Just hit on the add button, add your keyword, and then say OK. I've actually already added my keyword, which is this article marketing strategy. So once you've done that, just close it, and what you would notice is that all your keywords would then become bold, which means that when it is actually spinning, it is not going to spin the bold words. So once you've done that, the next thing that you need to do is to just go back to where it says spin tools at the top, and then click on everyone's favorite. Then you need to select the quality level, like right there. So always pick the best quality level, and then just hit the replace button and give it a few seconds to load. So that's already loaded and that's already spun. So what you would notice about the best spinner is that there's hardly any more editing to do, because it makes sense. So as you can see here, article marketing strategy, 6 steps to an effective, efficient, successful, powerful, helpful, useful article marketing strategy. So if I wanted to change any of this, all I need to do is to hit on the tab button, like where it says 6 steps, or just hit on the tab button on your keyboard, and it's going to pull up a list of synonyms here. So like for this one, where it says to an, I'm going to also add for an. Efficient, powerful, helpful, useful article marketing strategy. So if I wanted to add any more words here, I could add for highly effective, for profitable as well. So that's just adding more synonyms to my spun content. So you can do that throughout your article. Just add different things to it, different synonyms, just by hitting on the tab button and then clicking on whatever is there. Now the one thing that I need to point out to you is that if you wanted to add your own synonym, all you need to do is to come down here and then type whatever you wanted to add. So for example, I've highlighted leads and it's pulled up all these synonyms here. So I'm going to add prospect, qualified prospect. Then I could add let's say I could add people to that, and then add it, and then it will automatically show up here. Okay, let me add it first. So it is added, and then that shows up here. So that's basically all you need to do and you're good to go. Now, on a final note, there's a spell checker, so you can run a spell check and just make sure that everything, all the spellings make sense. And then also, you want to pay attention to the bottom here where it says 29% unique. You want to bring that to 50% unique, at least a minimum of 50% unique. And the way to do that is just by basically adding more words. So just go back to your article. So for words that haven't been spun, so for example, where it says here are, right there, I could add more synonyms to that. So if I highlight it, then I can add listed here are, listed below are here I will discuss, and allow me to share. So I've added all these synonyms right there, and by doing that I am going to increase the percentage of uniqueness. So you really want to make sure that you are actually bringing it to a minimum of 50%. So that's all you need to do, and this whole process shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. Like, when you first start using it, if you're totally brand new to the Best Spinner, then it would take you more. I would say that it would take you more time if it's your first time. But as you start using it, you're going to get used to it. And honestly, like, you know, by the time you've used it about 5 times, you're going to be spinning your articles in less than 10 minutes. Now, your article needs to make sense if you're going to put it on a place like betternetworker.com or eZine articles. So if you wanted to like take a version of your spun article, all you need to do is to come here to where it says spun article, and it's going to give you a version, and you can take this and put it on you know, some of these high ranked directories or communities that are actually read by real people. So just make sure that it makes sense. However, if you're putting it into like a tool like Article Marketing Robot, then it doesn't really need to make that much sense, you know, because what you're really concerned about is the backlinks, and people do not really read all those you know, articles that are in Article Marketing Robot. So that's all you need to do, and you know, that's it really. So I really hope that you've gotten some value out of this video. If you do have any questions, you need any help or anything like that, you know, contact me. There's a contact form on my blog. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link just under this video that will take you straight to my blog, and there's some great marketing tips that you can find there, and you can also get in touch with me there if you do need any help. Alright guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.